Hey, good morning, Blind Sniper here. Look, I've been trying out some scopes this morning. I just wanted to jump on here and tell you about I screwed up. Uh, Not on scopes or anything like that, but bipods. I messed up my number one rule is research. This is a fantastic bipod now. Don't get me wrong, this right here is. But I had ordered me some, thought I was getting a great deal, snatched them up, and when they came to me, they were crap, pure plastic. The whole thing was plastic. The Picatinny rail that you mount up here was plastic. The body was plastic. The springs were so flimsy, it wouldn't even keep the legs in place. Got them off of eBay. But if I had done my research and dug deeper and looked at the specs and all that there, which is what I should have done. I just looked at 6x9 because I wanted 6x9s. And the guy had them for like $14. But my stupid tail kept looking across there and it said, the more you buy, the cheaper you get them. So if I buy 4 of them, I got them at $12 a piece. I said, shoot, that's a steal. I got to jump on that. Anything that's too good to be true is too good to be true, okay? Because when they come in, they were light. The package was as light as a feather. I'm like, what is this? And the suckers were plastic. Every inch, not a single piece of metal anywhere on here. So, you know, it's okay to be a budget conscious person and I'm gonna buy budget rifles and budget scopes, but everything can't be budget. Unfortunately, I broke my number one rule and I didn't research the product before I bought it. Usually, before I buy a scope, I get on, I research and I research and I research till I decide which one I want. And I dig up people's opinions and stuff like that they had on them, you know, all kind of stuff. But this, I just jumped on it. Not this one, but them others. I still got them in the house. Anybody need a toy for a child, just send me an email and I'll send them to you. You can just have them because it's the legs, the pieces here that instead of being rubber, they're plastic. The mechanism that works locking it in and out. Put it this way, people, they were so bad. When I put it on the gun and I set the gun down, the legs automatically spread out wider. I had to hold them together with my fingers to hold the gun up. And if you push forward, like on this one here, how it's locked in place, if you push forward, the legs would fold up. I mean, pull back on it, legs would fold up. The springs couldn't even hold it. So, number one rule, do your research. Even as a budget person, budget conscientious person, don't just go by price. Don't just go by the person, the seller. Do your research. Diligently do your research. Go deep as you can go and make sure that's exactly what you want to get before you fork out the money. Because I forked out $54 for four of them things and they ain't worth 2 cents. They might now hold up a water gun. And I got my doubts about that. Anyway, this is Blind Sniper. Just wanted to tell you, I screwed up. I'm sorry. I get something in here I could brag about, and I couldn't brag about it. All I can do is hang my head in shame. But these here, I just bought these. This one come in yesterday. It's perfect, all metal, except for the rubber legs, feet right here. But I love it. Great scope. I mean, great bipod. And I'll get with you about these scopes here in a little bit. Right now I'm shooting some Tenix, some Subsonic from Remington, and some Aguila. And so far, all 3 of them shoot fantastic in this rifle right here. I'm using my Victor scope. This is the 10x40x50 right here. Great little scope. The only thing I hate about it is the target sight. You know, the reticle in it. It's real thin. That's the only thing I hate about it. But, you know, everything can't be perfect. I had to learn to adapt. And anyway, this is Blind Sniper. God bless you. Take care. And have a wonderful Wednesday. And hopefully I'll get back with you before the day's out with some video on my scopes. I had 2 more Muellers come in. I went ahead and bought me 2 more instead of 1. They gave me such a good price I couldn't pass it up. One of them I got for $100, brand new, and the other one I paid $155, which with tax and all was $165, I think, $167, something like that. And the other one that was $100, I had to pay $107 tax and all that on it. So fantastic deal on the Muellers. They are 8x32 by 44s. I'm telling you, people, you need to jump on that guy. He's got them, and they're good. They're real good, and they're brand new. Everything's in the box. The box comes. It's packaged just like Mueller's. They're not used or anything. They're not even refurbished. All right, take it easy. Blind Sniper out.